I'm Elon University President Connie Book, and today I'm excited to announce that Elon has received funding from the North Carolina Local News Lab Fund to establish the North Carolina Local News Workshop. This pooled funding from a host of community and national foundations, including the Democracy Fund, will be dedicated to ensuring North Carolinians have access to news and information so they can participate in democratic processes and community engagement. The workshop will be housed here at Elon University in the School of Communications beginning in June. The workshop will create more opportunities for innovation and access to local news throughout the state, including opportunities for Elon student internships and faculty and staff community collaborations. The workshop's practical programming aims to equip journalists and other communicators with skills and tools to serve diverse communities. The workshop will focus on connecting the North Carolina news and information ecosystem through initiatives like the North Carolina Local e-newsletter, collaborating with news and information providers, to other innovative programming like coaching reporters and sharing pooled resources, capacity building through analytics, and the North Carolina Local News Intern Corps. Interim Director of the workshop, Melanie Sill, will also be a returning friendly face to Elon. Melanie was instrumental in bringing the North Carolina Center for Open Government to Elon more than a decade ago, and has had a distinguished career as a Pulitzer Prize-winning editor and news executive at the News and Observer, the Sacramento Bee, and KPCC in Southern California. This partnership with the North Carolina Local News Lab Fund is a direct response to our state's deepening local news crisis by establishing this new statewide support base for those working to inform North Carolina residents and communities. I want to congratulate and thank Dean Rochelle Ford in the School of Communications in bringing this new, important resource to the university. It's another great day to be an Elon Phoenix.